New tonight, a sudden increase in the number of positive COVID cases in Nueces County is causing concern for officials with our public health district.
For several weeks, that number had been declining, with very few positive cases being seen at Corpus Christi Nueces County Public Health Department testing sites. But this week, well, it's all changed.
Our Ashley Gonzalez is here with details in tonight's top story at 6. Ashley?
Kim, on your fact with our public health department, the positivity rate in the coastal bend has jumped 11.1% in 1 week. She says this is likely the start of our own COVID surge, something that is also being seen across the state.
What we do know is that we do see a jump in cases. We were starting to go down, but with Omicron, I think it's here.
In just 1 week, the positivity rate of COVID-19 in the coastal bend jumped by double digits. And that's only from the local health department.
It's also probably higher too, because there's lots of people that are doing home testing. And we do not get those results.
Health officials are concerned by how fast a lot of people are getting sick.
We probably do have Omicron here in Corpus Christi. We just can't verify that yet, but we do know that, over 73% of the cases across the U.S. Are Omicron, so it's overtaken Delta already.
She says for a few weeks, the coastal bend had a handle on the virus.
Last week we were declining.
But since the jump in the positivity rate, she's worried the worst is still ahead.
We're just starting to see our increase in cases. Usually we lag behind by a few weeks. But here in Texas, we did jump, cases jumped over 100% just over our 14-day period alone. So we really won't know the true picture of how it's going to affect us here in the coastal bend, probably, for another 3 to 4 weeks.
And if you haven't already, get up to date with all your vaccines.
Unfortunately, we are seeing that, the 2 vaccine series with mRNA or the one with Johnson & Johnson, the effectiveness does decrease with Omicron. So that's why we are advising everybody to get their boosters if they haven't yet already, because that does bring the effectiveness back up to 80%.
With Christmas just days away and the new year right after, Dr. Onifrak says it's best to avoid gatherings if you feel under the weather at all. Rudy, Leslie.